Hi, how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello to everybody. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm so excited. I know y'all excited because y'all see the title. Boom, 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 boom. So please excuse the noise like I'm saying. Let's get to this video. As you can see, I have a seafood boil, as Bloves say. I have her special sauce that I made. It's probably like 90% of hers because she was not here to do it. They say that when she make it, it tastes awesome compared to when you make it yourself. So maybe one of these days I will get a chance to try her sauce that she made herself. And but right now we're just gonna try this sauce. Look, only thing different that I did with it, I add jalapeno peppers. Y'all know I love jalapeno peppers. And I add honey instead of the brown sugar. So I'm excited. And over here I have snow crabs, I have potatoes, corn, shrimp, potato, corn, shrimp, and sweet potatoes. Yes, I had some sweet potatoes and I was like, hey, let me just throw that in the boil and see how it tastes. See how it tastes with the Bloves Life, Lovely sauce. So, I'm so excited. And I also have some Kool-Aid. This is watermelon Kool-Aid. So, y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh my goodness, they over there talking about y'all. I'm not talking to y'all. I'm talking to my lovely supporters. So what should we start with? Let's start with, okay, I think I'm going to have to move my Kool-Aid up out the way. Let's do some, ooh. That seafood stuff kind of spicy. Let's see. I have, did I say I have lemon? I have lemon. I guess we can start with the corn. Corn. That's how. Woo. Woo. That's already spicy. But it's good. Okay, y'all. Here we go. I guess I'm going to use my hand, my fingers, like Bloves. Good. Okay. Let me read some napkins. Okay. That sauce is deep. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That sauce is delicious. Spicy. It's spicy. But it's so yum good. Oh wow. That's good. Woo! And I haven't even started with the seafood yet. Woo! That's good. Yum, yum. Woo! Spicy. Wow. That is good. I don't know if it's just delicious because of the sweet and the spice. The sweet from the corn. Bring me a plate, an extra plate. It could be a plastic plate. I just want to put my squash down. Woo! That's so yummy. Thank you. Woo! Yummy to the yummers. That is so delicious. Let's try the sweet potato. That's good. Y'all should try the sweet potato.
We just sit in that kitchen.
I know. Try the sweet potato. But y'all had to come over here because I only did a few sweet potatoes.
I don't eat sweet potatoes.
It's good in this sauce. Oh wow. Oh Lord. Yeah, this is messy. You can't be cute. You can't have on no good clothes.
Oops.
Woo. Make sure you hit the like button. Okay. Them sweet potatoes are good. Let's do, I guess, a swim. Let's do a swim. Whew. I actually wanted to like pour the sauce over the seafood boil, but I said I'll do it the next time. Try the sauce?
I'm scared.
Go over there and try it. Jamal said he gonna try the sauce. It's spicy. You gotta like the spice because it is spicy. It's good though.
I eat everything already.
I love the onions and the ginger. Piece of that shell. Wow. That's so yummy for the tummy. Yummy. Who? He talking about say you it was plenty of shrimps in there.
And I only got a few.
Well, that was your choice. You letting them eat it all up.
It's already gone.
I bought a lot of shrimps. Matter of fact, I want to shout out, I bought this from HEB. I want to shout out, what was that lady's name? Jeanette at HEB. She was so nice. She was helpful. Janae. So thank you. You can eat that sauce. You know what? I would love to eat that sauce with some pasta. And I have some of that sauce left over there. I know nobody not double dipping in there. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some with some pasta. Oh, I forgot to put this shrimp in there. Yeah, this is so delicious. Ooh, my hair's splitting. It's so good, my hair's splitting. Jamal over there big. I haven't even started on my crabs.
Mama, give me some. I want to go eat it with the sauce.
I never had ginger, as far as I know, cooked like this. I have had it like in teas or what else? Like the fresh ginger. I have had it with sushi, but not in a sauce. It's good. Woo! Y'all, this is delicious. I need to make sure my camera is still recording because I don't have that mirror to the back where I can see. I know it is.
You gotta repay me that.
Pay up. I'll just take this one right here. Jamal, stop. That was Jamal's fingers. He's grabbing my food. Y'all eat all them shrimps?
This one cold.
Yeah, seafood get cold quick.
Everything.
It's so delicious.
With the corn. Oh, with the corn? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I like corn. That sounds good.
Woo! Okay, let's throw on the crab leg. Did I get a thumbnail? Oh, okay. Oh well. Yeah, like see, this stuff is cold already. Ow. Woo! Okay. The corn is real good in that sauce. Everything is good. I see that meat way down now. I don't feel like breaking a nail. Whew. And I didn't bring my scissors. Woo! But that's okay. In the light, you can see the shadow of the meat. It's just a little piece of meat right here. Man, I hate wrestling with my food. Mmm. It looks like there's no meat in this one. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes it is. Oh yeah, I forgot to squeeze the lemon.
What is that? Squeeze in your mouth.
Over. You squeeze it over your... You squeeze it over. Jamal, you know those things from
HEB.
Crab Shack?
What?
Like yellow and long. Bring me them things. I can use that on these. Mmm.
You can probably drink.
Thank you. Yeah, baby. Let's get to business. I just want one to pull right out. I just want one to pull right out like that. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. We in business. Woo! I was going to plug up my griddle because I know last time I had seafood, which was a while ago, it was, it got cold real quick. So I was going to do it, but I didn't feel like it. Ooh, there you go, baby. Mmm. Yum. That's what I'm talking about. When you get a piece of meat like that, it makes you happy. You don't have to worry about wrestling with your food.
You don't like finger food?
Woo.
I should have been in that video.
I had asked you when the next time you want to be in a video.
All this talking I'm doing, I should have been in it.
Okay. Think we're going to have luck? Let's see. You can tell how this shell tearing up. Yeah, because...
You only got 7 minutes.
Okay. That's thing got cold. Let's see some more shrimp.
Can I have the rest?
It is. It's very good. Now just imagine if we love making. Oh, you know, I forgot I have a shrimp sitting in there. The originator makes it. It'll be so delicious. Mmm. I haven't used my lemon not once. Okay. Woo! What is that? Oh, the pepper. Oh, I'm thinking that's my napkin. Ooh, y'all, it look like I got a mess going on. And these napkins so thin. Woo. Okay, what I was doing. First, you got to take the shell off. Then you squeeze the lemon. As V-Love say, lemon rain, if I can get it. Woo. Squeeze the lemon. Then dip it. Then squeeze it again. Mmm. Mmm. It do taste good with the lemon. Try this on the sweet potato.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mmm. The sweet potatoes off the bone. I said the sweet potatoes off the bone. What's that napkin? Mmm. I like the sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes is really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a corn. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Wow, this is very messy. But that's okay. That lemon, it makes a difference. I give it like that. I don't know. Now, I don't know if it's like bouncing out the seasons or something, but it's good with or without the lemon. Squeeze the lemon, dip it, squeeze the lemon, and eat it. That's yummy. You guys, I got one claw left. I have one potato, one corn. What is that? 2 shrimps. I have some sweet potatoes. And let me drink some Kool-Aid. My mouth is on fire.
Why that Kool-Aid not warm? Why it's not cold?
My Kool-Aid is cold.
My Kool-Aid was hot.
I have ice in it.
Oh.
I told you it was hot. I made it with hot water.
Oh.
You guys, I'm going to save this for later. I am full. I might eat another shrimp, but I know my time is running out. I want to say this was so delicious. The Be Love sauce is delicious. Go get her recipe and make it, because it is really good if you like spice. Now I think she said if you don't like spice, you can pull like the pepper out, the cayenne pepper, all the spice out that make it spicy and make it. But this is so delicious. I'm gonna have some on my noodles. I might do a video on that, but I enjoyed it. This was delicious. Make sure you try it with some yams, because that was delicious. Yam, sweet potatoes, same thing. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, share, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see me eat next. And until next time, bye.